All right, welcome back here on this Sunday night. We're finally seeing some rain out there, much needed rain at that.
Yeah, I mean, it really is. We're so dry, and sadly, we don't look to be getting a whole lot out of the system. Now, we are getting at least some warmer temperatures thanks to the warm front that's giving us those light rain showers right now. We are going to be looking at our temperatures about 10 degrees warmer than what they typically are around this time. So Portland sitting into the mid upper 40s. The south-southwest winds are going to continue to carry us through. They also kind of give us some of those warming temperatures as well. Although up to the north, you can still see Rangeley, Farmington into the mid 30s. So not looking too warm out there for them. But eventually, here's those showers. Seeing some heavier pockets into southern New Hampshire. We'd really like some of that to really get closer to the coast where we really do need it. I mean, drought monitor for Kittery down to York County, they're seeing a worsening drought. So what we need to see is more rain in the 8-day forecast, but we're just not seeing it. So any rain that we do get, we'll take it for now and we'll just keep going through. So speaking of continuing to go through, some of those cooler temperatures I just mentioned, you're probably seeing up to the north, some areas of mixing, and we've had some reports of some snow flurries. Now we will have a few more chances for some rain, and eventually, sadly, it doesn't look to be a lot either. So let's work your way through your Veterans Day forecast. Again, starting off a little bit on the warm side, mid 40s. Eventually, towards the afternoon, we're rising to the low 60s, breaking away those clouds and becoming mostly sunny. The only problem with that is the winds are going to start to pick up and it's going to be kind of a breezy day. So if you are heading up for the parade for Veterans Day around 10:30 in Portland, just keep that in mind. And those winds don't look to die down once we get to Tuesday. So there's those warm front showers getting through, maybe a few isolated left over for your Monday morning. But eventually there's that clear sky. Beautiful day out there. Again, gusty winds. Then because we're clear, we drop our temperatures going into Tuesday morning. A few more chances for an isolated stray shower there for Augusta, Rockland, the mid-coast, but still looking between the sun and clouds. But up to the north, that's where you can see chances for the White Mountains, seeing some snowfall, maybe a dusting to an inch. But the problem is the back end of this, the cold front that moves through. Here we are Monday afternoon, west winds, that's kind of durable into about 20 to 25 miles per hour. Then we get into Tuesday. That's when the cold front really gets here. We're looking at 30 to 40 mile per hour wind gusts. That could knock out trees, power lines. Then you're looking at those temperatures that are actually, if you're inland, you're going to be looking at temperatures into the mid 40s. That puts your temperatures into about, feels like, the 30s. Then we're going to continue those kind of cool conditions all the way through the inland forecast. Low to mid 40s, not really seeing too much precipitation until next weekend. That's kind of the same thing for what we're seeing along the coast. Only difference is a few degrees difference. So we're still going to be waking up pretty cool after that cold front goes through. And no matter what, definitely not great for the fire danger risk that we are seeing with how dry we are.
All right.